So I've learned a lot over the last few weeks, and I was raised in a family where the men taught the men to never ask for help, because if you ask for help and someone does a favor for you, then you're going to owe them something down the road, and you never want to owe anybody anything. That's the programming that I grew up with. And I've realized over the last several weeks and even months, I guess, that one of our biggest assets is our ability to ask for help. And that goes in business and in our personal lives. And I think in our personal lives, I'll share that I've been having some really serious health challenges and have been crippled through the first 2 months of 2019. And it's been real challenging and very expensive. And a wedding planner who's a friend of mine who I know offered to bring us a meal and to put together a meal train for us. And I accepted the offer for her to bring over a few meals, and she brought over some crock pot frozen stuff in bags that we put in our freezer. And then she said, let me know if you want me to help you get a meal train going, and I'll do it, Matt. And so like 5 days later, maybe, I had crashed and I was laying in bed, just exhausted and feeling defeated and like I wasn't going to get better. And so I reached out and I said, Andrea, I think I'll take you up on the offer to do the meal train. And the response has been overwhelming. And I think it's mealtrain.com if you want to help somebody. I think that's what it is. But people are donating money and meals, and couples who I've married off in the past are bringing me enchiladas and donating money, and wedding professionals who I barely know are donating and reaching out to me to offer assistance. And I'm going to parlay this into online business. I received a phone call from one of the people I referred to the SFM, and she said that she felt bad reaching out because she thought that she was bothering me. And my response was, Jen, you're allowing me to serve a purpose and to be helpful. And I feel needed. And that's a big deal because I need to feel needed. I need to feel like I matter. And that's what I've learned, is that in order to effectively give, we also have to stay open to receiving the abundance. And not allowing people to give, not asking for help, is not only negatively affecting me and us, but it's not allowing the cycle of giving and receiving to continue. And that energetic cycle is important. We have to allow people the opportunity to give. We have to provide other people with the opportunity to feel like they're helpful, like they serve a purpose, and like they matter. And in my first couple of years in my online business journey, I tried to do everything myself, and I did not reach out and ask for help when I needed it. And the last couple of months, I've really been good about reaching out and saying, hey, I don't know what to do. Can someone please help me? And I've received so much coaching and so much support from our community and so much guidance. And I've made a lot of progress quickly, even though I've been laying down and doing everything on my back in our spare bedroom. I've really made great forward progress in my online business. I have 2 online businesses, but I'm referring to my affiliate marketing business. That's what I feel most strongly about at the moment, so that's where I'm devoting my time and attention. So instead of rambling, I'm just going to leave you with that today. If you're down, ask for help. If you have someone who you think cares about you and you need help, ask. If your online business journey and you're not sure where to go, what to do, what to focus your attention on next, ask. Ask me. Ask somebody else in the community. Ask your other coaches. It matters. And it not only allows those helping to feel like they serve a purpose, but it will help you make forward progress in your life too and attract the abundance that you deserve. You deserve it, and I deserve it too. That's what I realized. I'm a good guy, and I do good stuff for people, and I deserve to receive as well. And so do you. You deserve to receive as well. So I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.